Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Linda from Colourwerx Designs and welcome back to the Colourwerx Design House. This is week number 3, the final week of our All Stacked Up QuiltAlong. This is the week where we put all of this together. So by now you should have all of your blocks pieced together, ready to go. But before we head over to the design board so I can show you what I've been up to, let's go to the overhead and I'll show you some specifics about the pattern. So by now you should have a pretty good idea about where you want all of your fabrics and your blocks to go. This is the line art drawing that I did in week number 1. The line art drawing is available in the blog post of week number 1 if you'd like it, and you can color in like so and create a master plan for yourself of how you want all your colors distributed across your quilt top. You can also just go ahead and follow the quilt top diagrams that are in the pattern. So this is the baby quilt size that I'm doing, and I just want to let you know what these numbers indicate when you look at them on the diagram. So here's pairing number 1, and it's marked by the number 1. If I kept pairs together and I was making 6 blocks, 3 identical blocks and the mirror image of the other 3 identical blocks, this would be pairing 1, and here would be the same pairing but the identical mirrored image of pairing 1. So 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to notice too on the quilt top diagram that you're not going to always use all 3 identical blocks throughout the quilt. You might only use 2 of them. So go ahead and follow whatever diagram you're doing for whatever size. So let's head over to the design board and I'll show you what mine's looking like right now. So this concludes our All Stacked Up QuiltAlong. I want to thank you so much for joining us on this 3-week QuiltAlong. If you like more of the Colourwerx QuiltAlongs, please go check out our QuiltAlong page at colourwerx.com, where we keep all of our QuiltAlong blog posts and videos up there for your enjoyment. Thank you so much again. Happy Colourwerx quilting, and we'll see you on the next Colourwerx QuiltAlong.